If you have guilt about choosing yourself and setting boundaries, this video is for you. Hey there, this is Leslie Noble again, and this is your daily no bullshit truth. It's where we learn to heal from betrayal and rewrite our stories. Keep in mind, this is not a place for therapy. It is just for educational purposes only. So let's dive in. If you feel guilty when you choose yourself, there's usually these reasons. And the first one is it's a nervous system survival strategy. When you're people pleasing, when you're overgiving, when you're the one taking care of the relationship and it's not reciprocal, a lot of times we do it because we're clinging for safety. And conflict feels like danger. And so realizing that that feeling of guilt is actually a trauma echo, and it's just a normal part of the process when you start to set boundaries, when you start to choose yourself. And remember, you're doing these things not to push relationships away. You're doing it so you can stay in a relationship and stay in connection with someone in a safe and connected way. Because when you are choosing the things that you love, your hobbies, your friendships, your visions and your goals, and you're choosing yourself and self-care, then you're going to love other people better. I always tell clients that the guilt is afterburn. You're gonna feel guilty the first time you choose yourself, and you're gonna feel guilty the second time you choose yourself, and you're gonna feel guilty the third time you choose yourself. It's just a normal, and a lot of it's because you're a good person and you have empathy and you don't want to not be loyal to someone, or you don't want to hurt them, right? But the question then becomes, why aren't you loyal to yourself? Why are you showing up that way in relationships where you aren't considering yourself at all? Loyalty is not meant to be self-abandonment. And if you're in a situation where you know it is not serving you, it is not disloyalty to walk away from that situation and choose yourself. It's self-preservation, and you are just as important as the people that you're in connection with. So don't forget that. If this was helpful to you, I'd love for you to like and subscribe and comment below and be a part of my community. And I'll see you next time.